When things go back to normal, and it's time to get back on track, you'll want to make a special event for the whole family. Remember all the moments of preparation that you'll need? Having a fridge with all the latest features won't hurt. In keeping your food fresh and longer lasting, in making sure that extra space is always there. Your new refrigerator will make sure your food gets special treatment. And when the event finally begins, there's no gift tall enough that won't fit. No drink it can't chill, whether it's cubed or crushed. No weight it won't handle, with smoothness and stability. And if space ever runs out, My Fresh Choice gives the opportunity to expand, to cold from freezing, or vice versa. While you catch up with your loved ones, the fridge will freeze your food in no time. So you can enjoy these precious moments together. A perfect PureFlat door design. A perfect moment in time and perfect silence will motivate you. Meet joy at the door.